Okay, everybody. This is Dave here, and I'm going to tell you about one of my smooth moves. I'm making a four-board bench, just about 18 inches tall and 32 inches long. Small little bench, and it's got this nice little sort of half-lap through joint in here, and some nice legs I cut out on the bandsaw. And I made a stupid mistake, and I want to share with you what I did to know that we all make mistakes here. So just hold on one second and let me show you what I did. So I was sawing with my table saw with a flat top ripping blade the groove here. And it's not the same setup as before, but this is what I was doing. I was cutting through and moving the fence over, cutting through, moving the fence over, going through. And I was on just about the last cut, and I turned the saw off, and I walked away. And the saw blade hadn't completed its wind down. It was still spinning, but it wasn't on. And I let go of this. And for whatever reason, even though it's standing up just perfectly fine right now, it fell over on the blade and was ejected backwards. Not with any amount of speed, but ejected hard enough that it actually ripped my auxiliary fence off my miter saw and took the miter gauge out of the saw. So I wasn't standing directly behind it, which is a safety thing. So nobody was hurt, and like I said, it didn't go across the shop. It only pretty much just fell on the floor. Because of that, this beautiful piece of pine now has that in the back of it. It doesn't go all the way through. If I was going to paint this piece, I'd actually probably just fill it up with wood filler and sand it and call it a day. I haven't quite figured out what I'm going to do yet. I'm either going to put it on the inside and ignore it and pretend it's not there, and then put the clear finish on that I was going to do, which is going to be an oil poly type of blend. Or if I'm feeling adventurous, I might drop a pattern or something that I can put on here and cut it out on my scroll saw to make it look like it's supposed to be hollow in the middle. I'm just worried about reducing the weight of the bench. I don't want to make it too top heavy. So this might stay, and I just won't point it out to people. And since it's going to be in my house, I'm not something I'm going to sell or anything. I'm not real worried about it. But I just want to show you that we all make dumb mistakes. But again, I was safe and protected because my hands weren't near the blade. I wasn't standing directly behind the piece. And yes, I shouldn't have let go of it until the saw had completely stopped spinning. But we all make mistakes sometimes, so having redundancy in your safety is a really good idea. So because I was following a lot of the other safety rules, I was fine. If my hand was there and I let go and my hand fell into the blade or something, that could have been a horrible disaster. So I just want to share with you that we all make mistakes, we all have smooth moves, and this was mine tonight. Thanks everybody, and have a great day.